Did you know that 1 tablespoon of flaxseed contains more omega-3 than 3 servings of fish? Shocked to learn that omega-3 deficiency affects 80% of global population? Ever wondered why Japanese people living in Okinawa have the world's highest life expectancy? Stay tuned as we uncover surprising omega-3 rich foods that can transform your health. We'll reveal ancient superfoods, modern scientific breakthroughs, and practical tips to boost your omega-3 intake naturally. Watch until the end to discover a little-known herb that contains 60% more omega-3 than salmon, plus exclusive tips to maximize omega-3 absorption. Why are most people getting omega-3 all wrong? The widespread omega-3 deficiency epidemic has reached alarming levels, with research from the Global Nutrition Report 2021 revealing that 80% of the global population consumes inadequate amounts. While many rely solely on fish oil supplements, they might be missing out on more potent natural sources. A groundbreaking study published in the Journal of Food Science and Technology shows that flax seeds contain 6.5 grams of omega-3 per tablespoon compared to only 2.2 grams in a serving of salmon. But here's the catch. Not all omega-3 sources are equally beneficial. The American Heart Association emphasizes that the source and quality of omega-3 matter significantly. Marine-based omega-3s, EPA and DHA, are more readily absorbed than plant-based ones, ALA. Therefore, understanding this difference becomes crucial for optimal health. The key lies in combining different sources effectively. Start by incorporating 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds into your daily routine. But remember to store them properly in an airtight container in the refrigerator to prevent oxidation. What's the secret behind Okinawan longevity? The remarkable longevity of Okinawans isn't just about genetics. Their diet plays a crucial role. According to research published in the Journal of Traditional and Complementary Medicine, Okinawans consume significant amounts of seaweed, particularly mozuku and wakame, which provide unique omega-3 profiles. A study from the National Institute of Health Japan reveals that Okinawans consume 5 to 10 grams of seaweed daily, delivering approximately 200 to 400 milligrams of omega-3. But what's fascinating is how they prepare it. Traditional preparation methods involve fermenting seaweed with brown rice vinegar, which enhances omega-3 bioavailability by 45%. The omega-3 in seaweed comes paired with unique compounds called fucoxanthins, therefore creating a synergistic effect that boosts absorption. Start by adding 5 grams of dried wakame to your soups or salads daily. For best results, soak the seaweed in water with a splash of rice vinegar for 5 minutes before consuming. Remember to choose certified organic seaweed to avoid potential contamination with heavy metals. Could this forgotten seed revolutionize your health? Purslane, often dismissed as a common garden weed, is actually a nutritional powerhouse that's been overlooked by modern society. Research from the University of Texas at San Antonio demonstrates that purslane contains 400 milligrams of omega-3 per 100 grams, more than any other leafy green. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition highlights that purslane provides alpha-linolenic acid in an unusually bioavailable form, making it 60% more effective than flaxseed oil. But here's what makes it truly special. It's the only plant source that contains both ALA and EPA forms of omega-3. Traditional Mediterranean communities have been consuming purslane for centuries, but modern science is just catching up. To incorporate purslane into your diet, start with 2 cups of fresh leaves daily, either in salads or lightly sautéed. The leaves taste slightly salty with a lemony kick. For maximum benefits, harvest young leaves in the morning when their omega-3 content peaks. Have scientists found a better omega-3 than fish oil? A groundbreaking discovery from the University of Copenhagen has revealed that krill oil might surpass traditional fish oil in effectiveness. The phospholipid structure of krill oil helps omega-3s integrate into cell membranes more efficiently, with studies showing up to 68% better absorption rates. But what's particularly interesting is the presence of astaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant that prevents omega-3 oxidation. The Journal of Nutritional Science reports that krill oil maintains its potency for 50% longer than fish oil under similar conditions. Therefore, when choosing supplements, consider that you might need only 60% of the dose compared to fish oil. Start with 1,000 milligrams of krill oil daily, preferably divided into 2 500 milligram doses with meals. For enhanced absorption, take it alongside foods containing healthy fats like avocados or olive oil. Remember to look for krill oil certified by the Marine Stewardship Council to ensure sustainability and purity. Which ancient grain packs more omega-3 than fish? Chia seeds, a staple of ancient Aztec warriors, contain an impressive omega-3 profile, that modern science is just beginning to understand. Research published in the Journal of Biomedicine and Biotechnology shows that chia seeds contain 30% more omega-3s by weight than Atlantic salmon. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition reveals that the unique fiber matrix in chia seeds helps slow down omega-3 oxidation in the digestive system, therefore increasing absorption rates by up to 40%. But here's the fascinating part. Chia seeds also contain a perfect 3-to-1 ratio of omega-3 to omega-6 fatty acids. Start with 2 tablespoons of chia seeds daily, but here's the trick. Pre-soak them for 20 minutes in water or plant-based milk to activate the beneficial mucilage coating. This gel-forming fiber not only aids in omega-3 absorption, but also helps maintain steady blood sugar levels. Join our community and never miss out on new content. Subscribe today. Is this spice the key to unlocking omega-3's power? Recent research from the Indian Institute of Science reveals that combining turmeric with omega-3 sources increases absorption by up to 85%. The key compound curcumin works synergistically with omega-3s, but requires proper preparation. The Journal of Nutrition demonstrates that black pepper must be present to enhance curcumin bioavailability by 2,000%. Traditional Indian cooking has always paired these ingredients, but modern science now explains why. Start by adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper to your omega-3 rich meals. For maximum benefits, heat the spices in healthy fats like olive oil or coconut oil for 30 seconds before adding other ingredients. This traditional technique, known as blooming, activates the fat-soluble compounds. Remember to source high-quality turmeric with at least 3% curcumin content, as lower grades might not provide the same benefits. Could microalgae be the future of omega-3 nutrition? Marine microalgae, particularly Schizochitrium sp., is revolutionizing omega-3 supplementation. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition published findings showing that algal DHA is molecularly identical to fish-derived DHA but more environmentally sustainable. The European Food Safety Authority confirms that algal omega-3 shave a 95% bioavailability rate, higher than both fish oil and krill oil. But what makes it truly remarkable is its purity, no heavy metals or ocean pollutants. Traditional societies near the Great Lakes of Africa have consumed freshwater algae for centuries. Start with 200 to 300 milligrams of algal DHA daily, preferably with a meal containing healthy fats. For best results, choose supplements that combine DHA with naturally occurring algal astaxanthin, as this antioxidant helps preserve the omega-3s. Consider taking it in the morning, as studies suggest better absorption rates earlier in the day. Why are hemp seeds making a nutritional comeback? Hemp seeds, historically revered by ancient Chinese medicine, are experiencing a scientific renaissance. Research from McGill University shows that hemp seeds contain an optimal 3.1 ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids, matching our ancestral diet patterns. The Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry highlights that hemp seeds also provide rare gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, therefore offering unique anti-inflammatory benefits. But what's truly remarkable is their protein content. Tablespoons provide 11 grams of complete protein alongside their omega-3 content. Start with 2 to 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds daily, sprinkled on meals or blended into smoothies. For maximum nutritional benefits, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator and consume within 3 months. Remember to choose raw, unshelled hemp seeds, as processing and heat can diminish their omega-3 content by up to 40%. What's the omega-3 secret of Mediterranean dieters? The Mediterranean diet's benefits aren't just from olive oil. Walnuts play a crucial role. The New England Journal of Medicine's landmark study reveals that people consuming 1 ounce of walnuts daily showed 47% better cognitive function. But here's something unexpected. The University of California, Davis found that walnuts contain rare forms of omega-3s called melatonin precursors, therefore potentially improving sleep quality. Traditional Greek communities have long practiced eating 7 walnuts daily, considering it a sacred number for optimal health. Start by consuming 7 to 8 walnuts, approximately 1 ounce daily, preferably in the evening to maximize sleep benefits. For best results, soak them in filtered water for 4 hours before consuming. This reduces phytic acid and increases nutrient bioavailability by 30%. Remember to store walnuts in the freezer to prevent their delicate omega-3s from oxidizing. Ready for these game-changing omega-3 secrets? Here's your exclusive omega-3 optimization guide that combines ancestral wisdom with cutting-edge science. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition reveals that consuming omega-3s with vitamin E-rich foods increases absorption by 58%. Therefore, pair your omega-3 sources with almonds or sunflower seeds. But timing matters too. Research from the University of Toronto shows that omega-3 absorption peaks between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m., aligning with our natural digestive rhythms. For maximum benefits, create an omega-3 rotation schedule. Alternate between marine and plant sources throughout the week. This prevents adaptation and maintains optimal absorption rates. Here's a pro tip not mentioned earlier. Freeze your flax seeds before grinding. This preserves omega-3s better and creates a nuttier flavor. Another hack: add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice to your omega-3 rich meals, as vitamin C protects these delicate fats from oxidation. Remember to stay hydrated, as dehydration can reduce omega-3 absorption by up to 40%. Are you over 40 and living your best life? Share your inspiring story with the world and spread positivity in the comment below. Unlock your brain's hidden potential with science-backed habits. Perfect for 40+ who want sharper memory and focus. Let's watch the next video here.